Hi, my name is Tony Magallanes, a training certifications manager for Knauf Insulation, and today we're going to be showing you how to utilize the Equal T stencil. As you can see here, a common transition for any piping systems, whether it be copper or iron pipe, there's always going to be a transition known as the Equal T. In this example, we have an Equal T that's finished using the stencil, and we're going to demonstrate how to use the stencil to end up with the finish like the Equal T here. Before we get started, we recommend you use the proper personnel protective equipment and the tools necessary for this install. Traditionally, the way an Equal T has been cut out or coped out is using the set of compass dividers. While using a compass has been the industry standard for years, the Equal T stencil allows installers to maximize efficiency, move faster, and install more product. Utilizing the Knauf insulation provided stencil, we're going to be showing you how to identify what size you would use. So, taking the total diameter of the fiberglass pipe covering and insulation, in this case it would be 6.5. We'd go over to our stencil, and it's half of the diameter, which would be 3.25, and we would find that here, and then outline what we're going to be cutting. This is going to be our Equal T stencil quarter pattern. And now we can trace out our quarter patterns on our pipe covering, like such. We would go to our other half, mark our pipe covering. This is where our halfway mark's at. So then we would use the stencil in this manner again. Mark it out. Now we've got a nice trace on the stuff that we're going to cut out, okay? Using our knife here, we're going to start to cut here, go all the way around. That's scrap or trash. Now, utilizing this boning knife, nice and sharp, we're going to go ahead and cope it out so that the transition could fit nice and snug. Only remove the insulation that's necessary to form this transition. Digging out too much insulation could lead to application issues and thermal performance failure. And then finally, we're just going to trim out any little hairs we've got on our Equal T, make it look clean for aesthetics. Now remember, on our chill water applications, we would like to use an adhesive or a mastic that's vapor retardant so that it can seal. There you have it, your Equal T cope out. All right, now we're going to demonstrate the installation of our Equal T. You simply pull off your butt strip, open up half your pipe covering, SSL goes on, and then we squeegee. There you have it, your Equal T.